Hi, my name is Stacy. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is about pretty much unboxing something I got from Flower Beauty today, and I did get 2 palettes and 2 lip products that she recently released a few weeks ago. So if you'd like to see what I got, keep on watching. I hope you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so it's been a while since I ordered from Flower Beauty, and it comes in this red box. I'm already getting nervous because as I move it, it's like moving around, and I hope it's really well packaged because I did order some eyeshadows, and I mean, I really love what it says here, and it says, "You're already beautiful, now let's play." Drew with a heart. So it says her website and hashtag Flower Beauty. So it's just a standard red box. So let's see how well it is packaged. Perfect. So everything came out beautifully. Like, you would think that everything would be shattered, but no. So the first one that I got is this Petal Plaid Shadow Quad called Very More. So this is what it looks like. And it says it's a rich color payoff, crease free. And it says it features 4 colorated shades that work together to create a multitude of eye looks. The crease-free, luxurious formula blends beautifully with rich, long-lasting color payoff. And it's got some shade names in the back. And it's got 5.2 grams in total, so how much would that be for each shade? So you're getting 1.3 grams each. That's quite a lot. It's really good, actually. And this is retailed for $9.99. So the packaging, it does feel lightweight. Definitely nothing heavy, but this is what the shades look like. Super, super pretty. So this is what the quad looks like. And these are just finger swatches. So look at that beautiful shimmers. That's super beautiful. Wow, I really love this one. So again, this one's called Very More. So the next one, it's called In Bloom. And this is what the colors look like. You can already tell that this one is like a duochrome. Super pretty. Wow. Okay, let's swatch it. I could definitely say that these quads, they would pair beautifully with other palettes. Especially this one is just filled with all shimmers. So this is basically a one look situation. I feel like almost like these would be perfect to wear on a work day. If like you're in a rush in the morning and you need to get your makeup done. Wow, that was super beautiful. I mean, do you see the shift it's getting? Like, that is so beautiful. Like, it's blinding and wow. So for this one, it's called In Bloom. Super beautiful, especially this shade right here. It's like, wow. It almost looks like the shade right here, it almost looks like the Terra Moon Red Giant shade, the iridescent. I don't have that one, but it just looks like it. Like, I can't stop looking at this. This is so pretty. So the next items I ordered was the Flower Beauty Bitten lip stain, and I only got 2 of what she offered. I feel like I didn't want to go too crazy with the order because what if I didn't have enough money for it, so I only just ordered 2, and they are 4.6 milliliters each, so you're getting a lot for $10. And the first shade I got is Tempt, and you could see with the name, the circle has exactly what it looks like inside, and this is what the color looks like. And then I'll swatch it. Wow, that's a beautiful shade. It looks almost like my shade. So this is Tempt. I can't wait to do a video of an all-day wear test. I'll probably put this when I go see my love tomorrow, and we'll see how well that wears. So the next one is called Saucy, which is the one Drew was wearing in the promo pictures, and I was definitely hoping it was a reddish color. And it definitely looks like it is, but it has an undertone of like fuchsia. So that is the one called Saucy right here. So these tones are definitely tones I would wear, so that's great. So this is like an up close. So that is pretty much it for my unboxing. I'm really excited for getting more colors. I don't think they won't be coming to Walmart, but maybe. I'm not completely sure. But I do know that Flower Beauty is sold in Ulta, so maybe her new collection will come out by then. But if Drew's having another sale on her site, I definitely would be picking up the other colors. She also had some liners, a lip scrub, a lip color changing product that changes with your lips. There's also liners and brow gels that I feel like I would use for my for my thick brows. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you did, may God bless, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.